Yeah.
Without a question.
Next stop, St. Margaret's Bay Road, before North Green Road.
Do you order a breath?
Be courteous to others. Loud music is not permitted on the bus.
I remember the 86. That was fun,
Next
wasn't it?
stop, St. Margaret's Bay
I
Road,
have pictures of the
before
lake. I have the pictures of the lake there. And it's absolutely beautiful.
Please refrain from opening windows while the air conditioning is on.
Thank God for no windows open. We need the AC.
Thank you for riding
Halifax Transit.
Next stop, St. Margaret's Bay Road at Halifax Drive. Next stop, St. Margaret's Bay Road at Civic 1697. Timberlea via Bears Lake. Next stop, St. Margaret's Bay Road, before Walter DeVoe Crescent. Next stop, St. Margaret's Bay Road, exit 1817. Next stop, St. Margaret's Bay Road, exit 1917. Next stop, St. Margaret's Bay Road, opposite Civic 1982. Next stop, St. Margaret's Bay Road after Clearwater Drive.
That's crazy.
It was when we were
There we go.
I thought it was like Bentonville or the 20. Everyone was laughing with me. They were laughing. That's different from me and you. Yeah, I was laughing at you. Yeah. I didn't fall that bad.
Next stop, St. Margaret's Bay Road opposite Cleffins Lane.